Look at the wild animals in their natural habitat, attacking the green snake that spits a non-toxic venom. The dogs are used to the venom as the snake comes around regularly and just toys with them. That is Bjorn taking on the venom. He has become immune to it. And Nevaeh, she just looks waterlogged. Look at them as they attack it. Yes, yes, look at them go. Animals in the wild. Here comes Bjorn, back again. Bjorn, how was that? Very good. And he's back again. So many toys. And the green toy down there on the ground, once again, from happystaffy.co, has lasted days without being ripped apart. That green toy over there. Highly recommend that one from Happy Staffy. Ooh, look how happy they are.